Online banner or display advertising is the key to brand awareness and engagement. Attention local business owners, are you ready to elevate your brand's online presence? Dive into the world of banner advertising, also called display advertising, and discover its unmatched benefits. Firstly, banner ads are visual magnets. According to a study by the Bannerflow blog, display ads with compelling visuals can increase brand recognition by up to 80%. It's about creating memorable impressions that stick. Moreover, with programmatic ad buying, you can achieve pinpoint accuracy. Data from eMarketer suggests that over 80% of digital display ads in the US are bought programmatically, allowing businesses to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. But there's more. Display ads are versatile. Whether it's interactive content, video, or animation, you can craft engaging narratives. A report by the Interactive Advertising Bureau, IAB, indicates that interactive display ads can boost click-through rates by 267% compared to standard banners. Lastly, banner ads can be omnipresent. Using retargeting, they follow users across websites, ensuring your brand remains top of mind, fostering familiarity and trust. Incorporate online banner display advertising into your strategy and watch your brand awareness and engagement soar.
Now, for those eager to boost their local brand, driving more traffic to their site, and ultimately boosting their sales, click the link below to attend our free online workshop, Paid Traffic Made Easy. Thanks for watching. We're here to steer your voyage towards a strong local brand and achieving outstanding marketing success.